I'm Sylvain, a Suzuki MotoGP test rider, Suzuki Endurance World Championship rider and BT Sport Pundit. Winning a 24 hours race is something very special because physically, mentally, you get absolutely destroyed and you share that with all your teammates, but also with all the teams and the mechanics. So there's always a very, very strong emotion at the end of the race because you're so drained. Winning that race, which is, a really important race in France, was a great achievement. Yeah, it was one of the best moments of my career. Riding a motorbike and riding it fast, riding it on the limit. This is where the adrenaline comes and knowing that you're really close to a crash. For me, this is the exciting part. Racing is everything because all those feelings that you get, and also obviously when you manage to win as well, the satisfaction that it brings is something that you really can't find anywhere else in life. The injury, the first thing I thought was, I've got to put that thumb back where it should be. First thing I did was to put the thumb back where, because it was dislocated, which wasn't very nice. With injuries, it's like it's always the same. You just have the injury, you need to assess it, and then immediately you just make a plan to recover and come back as soon as possible. So there's always like a target, I'd say. My thoughts now are to just try and get better as quick as possible. It's obviously like a bone that is really important for holding the bike and having control. So I just want to make it right. But the most important thing is there's a plan and there's a target, and we're going to reach it very soon. I don't think it's going to take too long to come back to full fitness. I can't be more happy. The suits have been great. I actually really love the product. I love the fit. I love the service as well. I've been using the same suits since the start of the season because that was actually my first crash of the year. So those suits have done Le Mans, they've done 24 hours in Spa, they've done all the testing, and yeah, I feel very comfortable with them. They're light, strong, so yeah, very, very happy with it. I love riding, I still love racing, so I want to continue racing. I also really enjoy the TV work, so hopefully next year we can carry on doing a bit of both, carry on winning in some championship somewhere, and carry on, working with the TV side, because that's something as well that is new for me, but I'm really enjoying it.